This is the infraspinatus trigger point video. The infraspinatus is one of the 4 rotator cuff muscles that's located in your back just above the shoulder blade. To get started with this exercise, the first thing you're going to do is feel for your scapular spine. It's the bony ridge on your shoulder blade, and once you find that, the infraspinatus is just below it. The supraspinatus is another rotator cuff muscle located just above it that you could also work out. So once you have that infraspinatus found, you're going to take the tennis ball, place it on that spot, and then lean against the wall till you find the trigger point. You can also do this lying down. So once you're on the trigger point, you're going to sit there and hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. You might have a few trigger points, so go ahead and move around and see if you can find any other ones. And when you do, sit there for another 20, 30 seconds. Another thing that you could do with one of these trigger points is hold the ball in place with your opposite hand and then move your arm throughout a range of motion. Here. So elbow in, arm straight up, and then you can also swing it around to the side so your arm goes directly overhead.